Hi all, good evening. Welcome to Dalal Street Finance Week Ahead program. Let's have a look at the US markets. Mostly the US markets were trading flat. We could see the US 30, S&P 500, Nasdaq futures and Dow Jones trading flat. The point to be noted here is S&P VIX has reduced by 2% and is under 20. Let's move to the Europe markets. We could see the UK market and the other France and the Germany markets trading with a positive bias around 0.5 to 0.7% positive. While looking the Asian markets on Friday, we could see the mixed state and most of them were negative. The China futures and the Shanghai futures, everything is negative. So as in Asia, the sentiment looks negative. Coming to the broader markets from India, could see the FMCG and Nifty Media and Nifty Pharma in green, while Nifty Auto and the Nifty Realty dragged the Nifty a lot, including Nifty Metal. Nifty Bank is 0.36% negative. So that's all with the Indian broader markets. Regarding Nifty this week, on 17th of April, Nifty opened at 17,863 and that open price was the high for the entire week. Nifty never moved above the open price of this week. This has to be noted. And Nifty moved down to 17,574.05 on the same day, and that low was broken on the last trading day of last week, that is on 21st of April. 17,553.95 is the low. However, before closing, Nifty recovered around 75 points and managed to close above 17,624. Most of the days after the open, the sell-off kicks in and post noon there is slight recovery of around 50 to 60 points. So this is the Nifty structure for last week. Moving to the Bank Nifty for this week. Bank Nifty opened at 42,603.55 and here too the open price was the high for the entire week. On the same day, like Nifty, Bank Nifty also took the lowest point, 41,799. However, in Nifty, the lowest point got broken on the last day, 21st of April. However, in Bank Nifty, the lowest point didn't get broken. Bank Nifty managed to turn back after taking support at 41,962 and was able to close above 42,100. Most of the days, same like Nifty, Bank Nifty hits a low and then manages to extend its gain some 100 points above the lowest point of the day. Same with the 18th April, 42,114 is the lowest point. However, the closing was able to be around 42,265, which is around 150 points above. On 19th April also, the low of 42,022 is hit. However, Bank Nifty managed to close another 130 points above and closed on 42,154. Same with April 20th, 42,108 low is hit. However, 150 to 60 points above, it was able to manage to close. On 21st of April, 41,962 low was hit, and around 150 points up, it was able to close. Talking about the OI in Nifty on 21st of April, most of the OI formed is on 17,700. There is a strong resistance at 17,700, and in 17,600 we could see some straddle formed, and 17,500 we can see some significant puts being formed. Seeing the change in open interest, most of the open interest formed on Friday 21st of April is on the call side. Only for out of the money put OIs are formed apart from 17,600. Let's check the Nifty support and resistance based on the most traded contracts in Nifty. 17,600 put and 17,600 calls, we could see a straddle there. So based on this premium 104 and 57, we could say 160 points. So this week we can expect Nifty resistance at 17,760 to 800 levels, and support at 17,450 levels. This is what we could see at from the premiums. And moving to the chart, Nifty could take immediate support at 17,450, and then the next level of support is at 17,451, and at the upper side we could see the resistance can be 17,662 at the first level, and at the second level we can see 17,786. If Nifty could able to sustain above this 17,786, Nifty can march until 17,919. Okay, let's move to the Bank Nifty support and resistance based on the OI. We could see that 42,000 has highest number of puts, and hence 42,000 can act as an immediate support, while as 41,500 has the next level of puts. So this can act as the second level of support. While coming to resistance, calls are formed right from 42,000 to 42,500. However, from the OI we can see that 42,500 will be acting as a very strong resistance for this week. Moving to the change in the OI on last Friday 21st of April, 42,500 formed a huge number of calls, and there was call build up in 42,400, 42,300, 42,200, 42,100, and even at 42,000 at some point of time. So overall, looking at the open interest, we could see that there is more calls in the system than the puts. Now moving to the Bank Nifty support and resistance based on the premium on the most traded contracts. We could see 42,000 put and 42,200 puts being most traded, followed by the 42,300 calls and 42,200 calls. So here we could see a strangle 42,000 put and 42,300 call. So considering that, combining the premium of 390 points, we can expect 41,600 to 41,500 being the good support, and at resistance we can take 42,600 to 42,800 as the strong resistance area. Moving to the Bank Nifty support and resistance based on the chart, the immediate support is at 42,000, which was the lowest point which we could see on Friday, and the resistance, the immediate resistance will be, the first level resistance will be the 42,377 and followed by 42,610, which was the last week's open price. Okay, if Bank Nifty sustains above 42,610, then it can have the next resistance at 42,800. Please note that Bank Nifty is trading for the past 5 days within a narrow range, which is between 42,610 and 41,790. So if Bank Nifty breaks either of the sides, we have to be very careful, as there can be possible chances of violent move. Moving to the FII DA data for 21st of April, FII has sold a huge quantity of 2,116.76 crores, while DIA has bought 1,632.66 crores. Overall, this week's market sentiment can be from flat with a slight positive bias. The positive news that could impact the market is ICICI, which has given the good results. There can be some movement in the Bank Nifty based on this ICICI, and on Friday we got the Reliance results also, which was also very good, and we can see some recovery in Nifty based on these Reliance results. Combining Nifty, ICICI and Reliance, both being the heavyweights in the Nifty, we could see some movement in Nifty this week, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty this week. The other positive factor is Nifty was tightly holding above 17,550 levels and didn't give a chance to break this level. So this is one positive news for Nifty. And in US, Amazon, Facebook, Google are set to declare their results this week. If the results are positive, we can expect some positive bias this week. Moving to the negative news that could impact the market this week, the first one is FII is on sell side, and last Friday they have sold a huge quantity above 2,000 crores. This is one big negative for Indian market. The second one is, though the results are good, I mean the ICICI as well as the Reliance results, they are not very super duper positive. Moving to the third one, there is some geopolitical tension in Sudan, where there is some fight happening between the military as well as the paramilitary forces. US has deployed their troops and they have evacuated hundreds of their diplomats from Sudan. So there is some geopolitical tension over there, and then the Taiwan, China, US, North Korea, South Korea, Japan tensions are still lying there. And there was a late news which was published this Sunday evening. The Bed Bath and Beyond has been looking for bankruptcy. They have filed the papers for bankruptcy. So this could be a negative news for the US market. So when US market is negative, then we all know that it will impact the Asian market as well as the Indian market also. So as a disclaimer, do not take any trades based on this, as I am not a SEBI registered advisor. This video is just as an information for the viewers as well as for myself. Thank you.